Savvy Serena. I have another Walmart grocery haul. If you like these groceries hauls, I do them every Friday at 3 o'clock. So here we go. I got a Sam's Cola. Okay, if y'all like Coke Zero Coke, is that what it's called? Coca-Cola Zero, whatever. This Sam's Club at Walmart, it is exactly like it. I really like it. And you're only paying 44 cents compared to the Coke brand. And then I got some Dr. Thunders for my husband and them. Got some more ranch and a gallon of milk. I got a couple of avocados, some bananas, some celery. I got some hazelnut coffee to go, creamer to go with my hazelnut coffee. I bought my husband some more of the salad toppings. I got 2 bags of sugar. My husband requested me to get more of the creamy hazelnut. Some apple cider vinegar. My husband wants to start taking a couple of tablespoons a day and a glass of water. Got some Kraft sharp cheddar cheese for grilled cheeses or whatever, but we were out. Got some tartar sauce. We had fish sticks and I ran out of tartar sauce. I still have fish sticks left, so I bought some. Some more frozen broccoli. That's one of my favorite vegetables. Some more biscuits to go with the sausage patties that I bought. The whole wheat buttery round baked crackers. I like these for a snack. I put peanut butter on them, so I like those. Corn on the cob niblets. Some ranch, a ranch dressing packet. I'm going to make some dip because I have some leftover sour cream from the taco night that we didn't eat up, so I'm going to make some ranch with what's left over. Some ranch dip. Got some salad mix for my husband. He goes through probably a bag a week. Bought some more light butter and non-grocery item. I went to the pharmacist, asked the pharmacist. My husband's got a dry cough, and she told me to get Delsma. Well, this is the Equate brand of Delsma. We're going to see if this works. And also a non-grocery item. We have prepaid phones. And so, through U.S. Cellular, so I had to get a phone card. This is how our Walmart's doing it now. You hand them this, tell them how much you want on your card, and they print you out a receipt, and that gives you your PIN to be able to put minutes on your phone. We find getting a prepaid phone for $35 a month with unlimited text talk and data is the best way for us to go. It's cheaper and it's less expensive. So my grocery bill is a little bit higher this week. We actually spent $83.16. Have a small Easter haul. I got this at Family Dollar for $2. Got the little ceramic bunnies for $1 a piece. They had some that were sitting up and some that were laying down, but I like the sitting up bunnies, so I got these. These yellow roses with a little bit of baby's breath for $1. So, if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up so I know to keep on doing them. And I hope you subscribe. Y'all come back now. You hear?